I'm Youngster 1970, and today I'm going to be taking the carburetor off and cleaning it on this Honda 2000 watt inverter. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take off the cover here, and it's held on with one screw using a straight blade. And now I'm going to, I think I have to remove this cover. Air filter looks like it could be cleaned. And get me a pair of gloves. Okay, let's try 5/16. Yep. Hopefully, looks like the whole thing wants to come off. We got a hose connected here. Needs to come off. I'm going to take a screwdriver and try to get up above it. Work it down. Ooh. Looks like she wanted to come out of there. It's not good. Now, I should have a fuel shut off. Now it's got a pump. Disconnect this. There's the rest of our linkage. There is no linkage. That's interesting. Must be electronically controlled. That's what it looks like. So, I'm going to have to take that hose off of there. This vent hose off of here. I'm gonna need a Phillips. Take these two screws off of here. And hopefully this whole thing will just lift off without any issues. Oh, it's interesting. And we got a drain hose down there. Remember that one goes in the bottom. Here, it smells bad. And that is a 10mm. I should have something to put this in, because I know, take this off. Probably gonna be bad gas coming out of it. It's gonna stink the whole place up. Let me get a rag. Taking the bowl nut off. Remember, that goes towards the front. Yeah, it's got some bad gas in it. It's not horrible. Doesn't look like it screwed the carburetor up. It's just dirty. I need to get a screwdriver to get that jet out. Everything else is sealed. Use a screwdriver, straight blade. Hopefully I can get in there and remove the jet. I'm not sure if that's blocked. Might be. So I'm going to spray some brake clean through it. Appears to be blocked. Yep, nothing passing through that. Oh, a little bit. Let's see, we do have a little bit coming through there now. Oh, now it's better. Thought. Yeah. I'm going to put all this in the ultrasonic cleaner and see if I can get it to clean up. I'm just going to leave the gasket on there, so I don't have one for it, and hopefully it cleans up nice. I'm going to use my vacuum pump. I'm going to try to suck everything out of the tank that's on here. I've run this through the ultrasonic cleaner for a total of 15 minutes. Sprayed it off with some brake clean. And I'm going to put the high-speed jet back in. I should have pulled this out and cleaned that out, but I'm going to take a chance and take a guess and say that that's okay. And that is your idle passage. Not good. Come on. There we go. This went towards the outside. Outside being this way. Gasket is good. Clean. Clean that back up. There we go. Now I'm going to put this back on. Get the throttle control back on there. Okay, that's the way it looks like it came out of there. That spring in there, and that just sits over top of it. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to get this the right direction. So I'll go like that. Got one screw in there. Here's the other one. Now it's magnetized. There we go. That goes up through there. I don't think it really does anything. This one will connect down here. This one will go up here. This one will go up in here. Squeeze this clamp. Everything seems to be on there. Yep. Put the air filter housing back on. Put the hose in down there. You might have to do that. That'll work. Let's bolt back in here. Those other two nuts, get them on here. This will go back in here. Air filter could use a little cleaning. I'm going to clean that out quick and then put it back in. I cleaned and re-oiled the air filter. Squeezed out all the excess. Put this cover back on. I'm going to blow all that dirt out of there, and then hopefully she starts up. Got some fresh fuel in it. I primed everything up. I did get it to start, but I'll just show you that. Yep. Hopefully first pull starts. There we go. Put the cover on and then we're done. This cover should hook right down in there. There we go. And that'll do it. That'll do it for cleaning the carburetor on the 2000 watt Honda generator. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.